Hello everyone. Today's video I'm going to talk about how you can bring the Wi-Fi icons that are missing on your taskbar menu in the Windows 10. Okay, it's a very simple process, and hope this video will helpful. Okay, the first things we're going to do, go to the settings here, and go to the personalizations. Once you go there, click this taskbar, and here you're going to go on the bottom here and make sure this tone notification area, the tone system icons off or on. Okay, first things you want to check here is network, it's on, and again go back here and go down and select this. Okay, so once you select this, here you're going to select the network again. Down here, as you see, it's off. So if you turn this on, so we're going to see the icon here. Okay, so even though you did this turn on and still the icon is not visible to you, then what we can do is another method we can go through it. Okay, so for that you want to go to the task manager down here, task manager, and go to process, and down bottom here the Internet Explorer, the Windows Explorer. Down here it should be Windows Explorer. What you want to do is just remove that. Okay, Windows Explorer. So it's taking some times to find out that Windows Explorer, come on, Windows Explorer, sorry guys, it's taking me sometimes to find out. It's down here. So you want to kill this, that another options also. And if it's still doing this methods, still you are not able to find this, and go to run and run some type here gp edit.msc. okay, so once you open this, go to the user configuration mode and go to administrative templates, and go here task menu and taskbar. So what you're going to find here is remove network icon from start menu. Remove icon from start menu. Okay, it's a little complicated to find this, but it's somewhere here. Remove network icon and start menu. You want to double click this, and once you double click this, you want to disable this and hit apply. So once you do this, this should resolve the Wi-Fi issues. Hope this video is helpful. If you find this helpful, please like, comment, and share, and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching the videos. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.